Welcome, in front of me is CHUWI GemiBook X Pro, and in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle secure boot on this laptop. So to do that, you'll have to enter the BIOS menu, and to enter the BIOS menu, power on your PC by pressing the power key, and then once the power indicator starts glowing, start pressing F2 key until you see the BIOS menu on your screen. Now, using the right arrow key, navigate to secure boot, navigate to boot category. Then once the secure boot is selected, which you can change using down and up arrow keys, press enter and change the value to the one that you need. Then press enter again to confirm. To accept and exit, press F10 and enter, and then to discard changes, press escape and enter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.